The PSI drilling and routing detailing machine is engineered to transform your production line. It delivers the performance and flexibility manufacturers need to stay competitive. Designed for maximum flexibility, the system can be customized to meet virtually any part specification, making it the ideal solution for a wide range of window or many other component applications. Utilizing 8 integrated workstations, the machine performs routing, drilling, and cutting operations in a single pass, reducing part handling and minimizing downtime between processes. It achieves cycle times as fast as 4 seconds, increasing throughput while maintaining consistent accuracy and quality. Operation is simple, requiring just one operator. Simply load parts onto the in-feed conveyor, unload finished parts at the out-feed, and the machine handles the rest. Whether you need a compact machine or a fully customized production solution, Progressive Systems can engineer the right solution for your operation. The machine you need may not exist yet. Let us build it.